Hello everybody, back for another Sheila Show Me. Today I am going to show you a brand new Distinction i190. Let's go take a look. So today I am going to show you some of the quirky little features inside a brand new Rapido. I did show you some previously, but now we finally have some new stock in. Let's take a look. So down into your dash, this is a 9-speed automatic, of course. Your aircon settings are all here, and here is the brand new touchscreen, multi-functioning, does everything you ask. It has got the Apple CarPlay settings where you can download all them apps, as well as its Android controlling. You can use Siri to control this thing if you really wanted. I'll just get it up and running here. So into the main menu, that is your sat nav just there. You can also connect your phone. Of course, you can go into your reverse camera settings, and it has just a little guide there. I don't know if you can see that. And it has Bluetooth and a DAB radio. I'm just playing some BBC Ulster for now, but again, you can choose whatever channel you want. Moving down into your kitchen setup, a couple of different gadgets for this year. Of course, you do have the locking mechanism, which is just down here for your drawers, so that's them open. Then click the little button, that locks them in place, so when you're traveling, you know they're going to be secure. This Rapido is the only one left now that has a built-in spice rack, and it's an extra large one. So not only can you store spice, but you can also store wine glasses, different oils, whatever you want to put in there. There's plenty of storage space there for you. Now, of course, I can do a full walkthrough for you if that is something you would be interested in. I didn't even show you the bed setup down there. That's a fixed island bed. You know, it can be raised or lowered as well for your garage. If that's something you would like to see, please let me know, and I will see you next weekend.